In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to install this Schlage Keypad Security Set and how to reprogram the user codes to something that you want to put in so you can remember. So stay tuned, we're getting right into it right now. So your Schlage Deadbolt comes with a programming code and 2 user codes already programmed in. And if you wanted to add a user code, you have to type in your 6-digit program code, hit the Schlage button, type 1, that's to add a user code, and then type your 4-digit code, and then type it again, and it'll program that code. If you want to remove a code, you type in your 6-digit programming code, hit the Schlage button, hit 2, and then hit the programming code, hit the user code you want to delete, and then type it again, and then it'll delete that code.